Hello, dear students. Firstly, I would like to wish you all a magnificent Republic Day. On this amazing day, we are going to learn about pronoun. So let's jump onto it. First of all, what a pronoun is. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of noun. The words which we used in place of noun are called pronouns. Types of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, intensive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and last at least we will see the other pronouns. First one is personal pronouns. Refer to people or things. They are either the subject of a verb, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they can all be used as subject of a verb. Laila likes cats. Laila is a proper noun or subject. She has four cats. She, pronoun, subject. Shaho is a good teacher. He is a good teacher. Here we can see that we used he at the place of Sahu. The objective of a verb, me, you, him, her, it, us, and them, can all be used as the object of a verb. Leah likes cats. She likes to stroke them. These are some personal pronouns. Okay, so let's move on to second one, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to talk about the things that belongs to people. जो चीज़ें लोगों से जुड़ी हुई होती हैं, जब हम उनके विषय में बात करते हैं तो हम possessive pronoun का यूज़ करते हैं. Example: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. This book is mine. So mine is a possessive pronoun here. Have you lost yours, Tom? Yours is a possessive pronoun here. Singular personal pronoun to possessive pronouns: I, me. In possessive pronoun: mine, you, yours, he, him, his, her, she, hers. Plural personal pronoun to possessive pronouns: we, us, ours, you, yours, they, them, theirs. Okay, let's move on to reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words that refer to the noun or pronoun that is the subject of the verb, and it is used as an object that refers back to the subject. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस वो होते हैं जो कि सब्जेक्ट की ओर इशारा करते हैं. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस आर माई सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, हिम सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, इट सेल्फ, आवर सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ एंड देम सेल्फ. Example: my brother built this computer himself. John was looking at himself in the mirror. Intensive pronoun. An intensive pronoun emphasizes its antecedent. I myself saw him. She herself organized the concert. The president himself has denied the rumor. Be careful not to cut yourself with that knife. Our cat washes itself after every meal. We baked the cake by ourselves. Come in every day and find yourselves a seat. The children cleaned their room all by themselves. Bears like to rub themselves against a tree. The bird washed itself by splashing in a puddle. सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, ये रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में हो जाएगा माई सेल्फ. मी ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, ये भी माई सेल्फ हो जाएगा. यू, ही, यू सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, ये हो जाएगा योर सेल्फ. ही हो जाएगा हिम सेल्फ, हिम हो जाएगा हिम सेल्फ, सी हो जाएगा हर सेल्फ, इट हो जाएगा इट सेल्फ. प्लूरल पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, वी हो जाएगा आवर सेल्फ्स, अस हो जाएगा और सेल्फ्स, यू हो जाएगा योर सेल्फ्स, दे हो जाएगा देम सेल्फ्स, देम हो जाएगा देम सेल्फ्स. Let's move on to demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used for pointing out specific pronouns things. Demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. Examples: These are my pets. These are sheep, but those are goats. Those are horse. This is my desk. Let's move on to indefinite pronouns. An indefinite pronoun does not refer directly to any other word. Most definite pronouns express the idea of quantity. Examples: everybody is welcome at the meeting. Many prefer their coffee with sugar. Does anybody care for a cheese sandwich? These are the examples of indefinite pronoun: all, each, most, other, another, either, neither, several, some, nobody, everybody, anybody, everyone, no one, somebody, anyone, few, none, some, both, many, one, such. Move on to reciprocal pronouns. It expresses a relationship between the individuals indicated in the plural subject. Example: two boys fought with each other. Here, each other is a reciprocal pronoun. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns relates to a preceding word antecedent and joins to it a dependent clause. Examples: she is a woman. She runs for mayor. She is the woman who runs for the mayor. You saw the house. It was historical landmark. The house that you saw is a historical landmark. Okay, jump on to interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. The words who, whose, what, which, and whom are interrogative pronouns. Examples: who used all my paper? Who is mom talking to? Who are those people? And these are some more examples. Who, whose pen is this? Whose are these shoes? What is your brother's name? What does Tom want? What is the date today? Some other pronouns: all, each, every, another, enough, neither, either, both, little, less, favor, many, most, several, some, one, any, few, much. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more and see you in next one.